design DFA end with AB. Means we have to design DFA to accept the string end with AB. First, what are the input symbols? Input symbols A and B. There are two input symbols. From these two input symbols, we have to design DFA to accept the string end with ABB. AB means AB. Before this, you can take any string. Means at least length of string is two input symbols. And if there are two input symbols, means we have to construct three states. Q0 is initial state, Q1 and this is Q2 is final state. At least length of string is 2. A, B. Means at least length of string is 2 means we have to draw three states. A, B. In any type of DFA, first we have to check initial string. Here there are two input symbols. If there are two input symbols, means from each state you can take maximum two transactions. Maybe string is A, B. Means before this either A or B. B, A, B. Before this A, B, either A or B. A, from this you can take one more transition of A. A, B. This string is accepted. B, A, B already is there. Before this A, B, 1B. 1B or n number of B's. This string is accepted. Thus from this two transition is OR, from this two transition is OR. Next maybe string is A, B, or A, B, then AB, already B is there. Means from this you can take A, B, then A, B. This string is accepted. Or between these two, maybe B's. Means A, B, then B, AB. AB, B, AB. A, B, from this need one more transition on B. A, B, the next B, A, B. This string is accepted. Now this DFA can accept any string end with AB. Dear friends, like and subscribe the channel.